Big changes could be coming to UK VAT system, and whether you are a sole trader or a business, this could hit you. Currently, VAT threshold is at £90,000, but the upcoming autumn budget, there are two radically different proposals on the table. Number one, to slash the threshold to £30,000. Number two, to raise it to £100,000. Let's break it down. What would each option mean for real people and real businesses? So first one, if threshold drops to £30,000, this will be the biggest shakeup in the decades. Tens of thousands of small businesses, from freelancers to part-time tutors, or you name it, that would be affected and would be forced to register for VAT. For example, Mr. J runs a home-based advisory business and he earns approximately £32,000 a year. Now, under the new rules, if the threshold is dropped down to £30,000, he would have to charge 20% VAT, making him less competitive unless he absorbs the cost. Secondly, that also means that this cost, additional VAT, will ultimately be passed to his customers. Let's look at another example. Let's say Mr. A is a driving instructor and he's earning just under £30,000, which is, call it, 29,500. Now, he may deliberately cap his income to avoid crossing the VAT threshold, a phenomenon that economists call it a wage cliff edge effect. So what would be the impact of this change, dropping threshold down to 30,000? Number one, there will be more admin costs, more paperwork, accountancy and professional costs, and accounting software costs. Secondly, these charges will ultimately be passed on to the consumer. So the prices of everything will increase, and it may also potentially slow down small business growth. Now, let's look at the flip side, which is if the threshold raises to around £100,000. Well, in this case, and we hope it does increase to £100,000, we look at a couple of examples. Let's say Jaspreet is running a boutique and earning around £95,000. Now, under the current threshold, she would have to pay VAT on £90,000. But if VAT threshold jumps up to £100,000, she can deregister. That means she will save time, money, and her prices will be more competitive. At the same time, someone who is earning £92,000 may not need to register because the VAT threshold probably will be increasing. If that be the case, then it will encourage growth, it will encourage investment, it will reduce compliance costs, but at the same time, that could shrink the taxes. Government may receive less taxes. Now, supporters say it's pro-growth, it should be done, but the critics say that could cost the treasury a lot, especially when public finances are tight. Government is looking at shrinking the gap between tax received and tax receivable. Now, why does that matter? See, the UK VAT threshold is already among the highest in EU countries. For example, Germany has got 20k threshold, France has got 34k threshold, and Italy has got 26k threshold. Now, it's just not about taxes. It's about competitiveness, inflation, and the future of small businesses in UK. Now, what should we do? We have to review our turnovers. We also have to make models for prices with and without VAT. We may also look at the upcoming cost and considering voluntary registrations if you reclaim input VAT. So if you need any more help and information about it, you can contact us. Our advice is always stay informed, stay compliant, and pay your taxes on time.